What's up, good people? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. Today, I'm going to be organizing my desk, so let's just get into it. And please do not forget to subscribe before you leave. So, this is what my desk is looking like. I have a little pull out section, and I really want to get it just organized. It's a lot going on, and we can do a lot better. So first thing I'm going to do is just completely clear off the desk and the inside. Okay, so now it is completely clean, and I really like a clear desk. And that's part of the reason why I got a desk that had this little compartment in it, and also this one because I really like stuff like hid and tucked away. I got this golden tray, I got it from Dollar Tree, and I also got these little clear containers. So in one of these bins right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my sticky tab notes and also all of my little page tags. In the other bin, I have like a lot of different types of tapes and like washi tapes and stuff. So that's where I'm gonna house those. I also have a lot of these planner stickers, and I'm just gonna put them right there. These big sticker pages actually kind of fit, but I would have to end up folding them. So I really did not want to do that. So what I'm going to do is just cut them in half. Alright, y'all, and in this tray, I'm just going to put paperwork, stuff that I'm working on, personal papers, stuff that I just kind of want tucked away, not like all on my desk. So I'm just going to drop those right there. I also have a ruler, and this is like the only really place that I can put it is next to this tray. So I also have like a bunch of like photos and newspaper clippings that I just kind of tack onto my dream board. So I'm gonna take it away from here and put it where it's supposed to go. Alright, I think you guys get it. This is just like my cork board that I just put like either motivational stuff or stuff that I need to remember. So, and I got this cork board from Goodwill actually a long time ago. It's just like the black frame with the cork board in it. I'm sure you could DIY it, but I didn't have to because I think somebody did it for me and dropped it off for me at Goodwill. So, all right, and back to this old box, this old random box. I decided I was just gonna keep my cords and electronic stuff in here so that it's not all like jumbled up in view. I could just close it and have it tucked away. All right, and just right next to that box, I'm gonna put some of these motivational books that I have. This one was actually given to me for my college graduation, and just these like type of books really help me when I am lacking strength and motivation. They really help me just have peace of mind and remember that God is in control. So, like for instance, lately I have really been struggling in the area of hope. I've been really lacking like a lot of hope, whether it be just in affairs of the world or in my life. And I know a lot of you have been too. So, like in this little table of contents, you can actually go to a topic of hope, and it tells you just go straight to page 27. And it just gives you a whole list of Bible verses that, might help you. The one that has really spoken to me in this time of just me lacking a lot of hope is this one, Isaiah 40:28 to 31. And it says, "Have you not known, have you not heard, the everlasting God, the Lord, the creator of the ends of the earth, neither faints nor is weary. His understanding is unsearchable. He gives power to the weak, and to those who have no might, he increases strength. Even the youth shall faint and be weary, and the young men shall utterly fall. But those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint." So yeah, just something like this to have like around your work area, whether it be at home or at school, I definitely recommend it. Here I decided I'm gonna put all of like my office tools, I guess you could call them. So I have like these protractors, I have a hole puncher, I have scissors that always seem to come in handy, and I'm also gonna put a calculator in here. This is this might not be very aesthetically pleasing, but I have this like mist and fan, and honestly I get hot sometimes in here, so literally it's just a fan that I can use to fan myself, and I'm just gonna keep it right here on top of my paperwork. This is like a task to go book, so it's more so I have a planner, but this is more of like a to-do list. So I'm gonna just put it right in that area. All right, and that is all that I'm gonna put in this pull-out drawer. And now we're gonna move on to this space that I was telling you guys about at the top of my desk. Okay, so first I have these tins, and I'm just gonna put them here because this is stuff that I already have like access to in the pull-out drawer. So this is just gonna be here as like spare. Also back here, I'm gonna put these pins that I have. These are like engraved pins from my wedding. So I'm just going to put them in here so that I don't necessarily use them, but that I have like really quick access to them. I also like to keep a lot of like business cards. I like to keep like different contacts, like professional contacts that I meet. I also am going to have these extra highlighters, and also have this extra lead. Alright, y'all, this is what this area ended up looking like. This is all that I'm really going to put here, and I'm just going to close it up. Alright, and the only thing I'm really going to put on the top of my desk is this pencil cup with all my pencils, pens, and highlighters. Then I have this clipboard, which also has like notebook pages in it. So I usually just set this right here. Then I have my laptop, which I usually sit on top of this big, bulky textbook, and it's just not cute at all. I got this from Amazon, and I guess I'll just link it in the description box where I got it from, but this is supposed to be a thing that you can use to raise the height of your laptop a little bit, and it's supposed to be compatible with most laptops. Just this and a wrench. Okay, so first off, this color, well, it is the color that I ordered, but it looks really different in person than what it was pictured as online. I thought about like spray painting it, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep it how it is. Okay, so this is really the best that I could do. Okay, and one thing that I forgot to add was this little nickel. This is a souvenir from like a money factory, and I actually just use it as like a coaster. And it's just a reminder for me to like always get to the money. Okay, and this is my desk area. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Again, do not forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you next time.